This Valentine's Day, Caviar elevates luxury to new heights with its latest collection, the Garden of Eden. At the heart of this collection is the Panther Gold 8K iPhone 15 Pro Max, a masterpiece priced at $60,350. Crafted from 8K gold and adorned with 159 black diamonds, this model is the epitome of opulence. The collection features 5 custom iPhone 15 Pro models, each a blend of luxury and artistry, with materials ranging from diamonds and gemstones to Swarovski crystals. Highlights include the Bird of Paradise, with its 4K gold plating and 139 Swarovski crystals, and the Wonderful Orchid, combining red calfskin with gold plating, diamonds, and enamel accents. Each purchase comes with a heart-shaped AirTag, adding a touch of elegance to your accessories. With only 14 units of the Panther Gold 8K available, and the other models limited to 99 units each, these iPhones are not just phones, but jewels to be cherished. Dive into the world of luxury with Caviar's Garden of Eden collection, where technology meets unparalleled craftsmanship.